Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of 5/5/15. Happy Cinco de Mayo. We're going to look at charts that come from the Trade Navigator software, and I have to say as we look at these charts, I've been trading almost 30 years now, and one of the things I love about it is that there's always something new. They always surprise me with something they come up with, and this has been a surprising week so far. We have loaded up data on the back end of the week, culminating with the monthly employment report on Friday, so you'd kind of expect the beginning of the week, which didn't have much of any data at all, to be quiet. Not so, sir. This is bonds, and you can see in a weekly chart the ranges so far this year have been so large in comparison to where they were last year. I mean, volatility is here in the bond market, and they are breaking down hard. We've got resistance up here at, let's call it 160.10 at the lower moving average. Boy, there's a humongous gap. They've got a long ways to go to get there, and instead they've gone down to support, which is about 155.18. Maybe they're holding it. I mean, they did close above it Tuesday. Maybe they're holding it, but my gosh, look at the momentum down here. And if they were to break this, you've got this old swing low here at 154.27 and not much else. Lower Keltner band. Yeah, there's other stuff. You can always find other stuff. But what I'm saying is turning down like this, big move up that doesn't make it to the previous high and then turn back down. Boy, take out that swing low. This could get seriously ugly. But anyway, 55.18, 60.10. They could also rally back up to 60.10, which would make for an awful good couple day trade since they got to do it before the week's out. Moving to stocks, kind of a different situation. In stocks, we have this sideways pattern right here, which kind of exists inside of a bigger sideways pattern that's gone back to last year. And this week has broken down hard, but it's still within the previous week. We had resistance up here in the 2115 area that certainly seems to have held. You'd kind of expect support around 20, I'll call it 2095 area here at the middle moving average. You'd kind of expect that to hold if they're still trying to go up. And they seem to be breaking below that. Now, they could turn almost anywhere in here, but the next level really is down here in the 2070 area, which puts them very close to the low from last week. If they can't hold that, yes, there is a middle Keltner channel here, but since they don't seem to be trending hard, you'd have to think they'd be wanting to go down and just test the sideways pattern lows here, which is roughly 2030, give or take. So I'm not really sure what's going on there. And again, they're doing this without a whole lot of economic news. That's still coming this week. So Lord only knows what the employment report will do to them. So that's how we're looking at things today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with, even if it's not the financial markets. Thanks for checking in with us.